Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you enjoyed very well. Now, today I am going to discuss let's more about stepwise thinking. In the previous videos, I had told you so many things about stepwise thinking, that how a stepwise thinking is very important in our day-to-day life, as well as it is very important in our, everywhere, means everywhere. In our day-to-day life we are using, in school purpose also, in any work we are doing. In the same way, in the computer also we are using stepwise thinking, and this is very important. Now, that day, the previous video I had discussed about how to make a sandwich, how you can prepare a sandwich with the help of onions, as well as without onion, or if you want to have some tomatoes on it, so you can also have cheesy what they call it, sandwich you can make. Now here we are going to discuss, I think, some few topics about the stages involved in stepwise thinking. Means, what are the stages in stepwise thinking. The first thing is important to understand that we will have to analyze the task. Last video in one or two videos I had already told you that we have to first analyze the task. Means, what kind of work we are going to do, we will have to first identify the work. Second one was dividing the problems into simple steps. This is very important, to divide our work into simple steps. This is very important, because without division of work, you cannot do your work very proper manner. And it is given in your book also that a list of well defined steps or instructions for completing a task systematically is known as algorithm, and this is basically used in computer purpose. Means, suppose algorithm means, I just want to tell you that if you are going to having some addition and subtraction and multiplication, any type of simplification in the computers, so with the help of these algorithms, they are giving you the proper exact result. So this is very important to understand. Means, algorithm is also very important. So this is why stepwise thinking is also work on that basic. Third is predicting possible solutions. So this is very important, that also we should have to understand what kind of solution, what kind of solutions we are getting. Means, हमें ये भी सोचना पड़ेगा कि solutions हमें कैसे मिलने वाले हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग सैंडविच, ओके, तो हमें सॉल्यूशंस के अलावा ये भी सोच के रखना पड़ेगा, इफ़ वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सक्सेस इन दिस काइंड ऑफ वे, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अदर डिफरेंट थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू डू. जैसे कि हम टोस्टर पे टोस्ट कर रहे हैं और कहीं लाइट चली जाती है, देन व्हाट वी कैन डू. इट इज़ गिवन इन योर बुक दैट सिंपली वी विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ गैस बर्नर एंड पैन. We can simply toast our sandwich. So these are the things. Means, we'll have to also keep in mind these things, and we'll have to move further. Next was advantages of stepwise thinking. Now, what were the steps? So the advantages of stepwise thinking, it is given that it provide an easy way to solve complex problem. Means, with the help of stepwise thinking, it becomes very easy to solve the complex problems. Second was identify the problems, clarify the problems, as well as what are the inputs are required. This is also very important to understand. Third is working with team. If you are working on a team, we should have to collaborate with each other. Means, we'll have to togetherness. साथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you are doing some same work with a different ideas, different minds, so this is also very important. Next is it help us to complete the task in assigned time. इन सारी चीज़ों को मिलाने के बाद क्या होता है कि हमारा वर्क जो है वो बहुत आसानी से जल्दी ख़त्म हो सकता है. हम लास्ट वन इट हेल्प अस टू क्रिएट एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट. ये हमें एग्जैक्टली रिजल्ट देने में हमारी मदद करता है. नेक्स्ट इज दैट इट इज़ गिवन अबाउट केस स्टडीज. मीन्स, इन दीज केस स्टडीज इट इज़ गिवन अबाउट examples. Means, how stepwise thinking is very important in our day-to-day life. Means, how we can make a cheap burger or anything else. Next, the last topic, it is given about this book, that this chapter, that computer and solving stepwise thinking. I will discuss further in the next video. Henceforward, thank you, have a nice day, and a happy new year. Bye bye.